Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when and where you're watching from. This is Jacob Bones. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the Aurum affiliate program, the partner program, like for those who want to market the business, for those who want to be affiliates, you want to make extra income apart from the passive income you are enjoying in Aurum. So you can take advantage of this information. Right, so when anybody registers in Aurum, the person is a Nova. You understand? Once you register, you're a Nova. You activate your ecosystem with $20, and then you are a Nova. When you refer people in Aurum under a Nova, you will only earn a legacy percentage. Legacy percentage is your people come under you, they put in $1,000, you earn $3 as the referral bonus. It's called referral bonus. So this legacy percentage is like the referral bonus, right? Okay. Now let's move on. You can see they wrote the legacy volume. Now this volume is 40% of the total money people invest under you. So if they put in $10,000, you will get a volume of 4,000. So this is legacy volume. So if person puts in a particular amount, you can actually, let me just say, if person puts in $100,000, like if people, your team build by $100,000 in their own personal investment, you will have a legacy volume of 40,000 LV. So it is 40% of the total money that is invested in your team. So as you grow and you attain this 300 LV, you become an Aurum Voyager, and you'll be given a gift. You'll be given a gift of $100, which is the extra bonus. You can see the extra bonus. So when you achieve this Aurum Voyager, you'll be credited with $100. But you, at that point, personally, you should be at least trading with $100, which is the minimum trading capital. So it means that you do not need any trading to start to earn 3%. So if you activated your ecosystem with $20, you can start to market and earn 3% from the people that invest under you. You will not get any extra bonus. There's nothing like profit share. There's nothing else. All right. So now when you attain a legacy, I'm going to just use a few of them and I will jump because I can't explain everything in this. So if you attain a legacy volume of 10,000 LV, it means that you would have 40% of these. Let's say if you have 40% of $25,000 will give you T. So you can do this by times it by 2.5. So if you do 10,000 times 2.5, you will get $25,000, right? So it means that when people have invested $25,000 under you, should have attained 10,000 LV. So at that point, when you start to bring people, you get 7% referral bonus. You should be trading with at least $300 at that time. You'll start to have a profit share of 5%. Profit share is what you earn from your direct downline. So if you calculate the profit that is made by your team, you calculate the profit that they make, you're going to make 5% of the profit that is made from your team. So that's for your Voyager. For the Vanguard, you will make 7.5%. So let's say your team makes $100 profit in a particular day, that's all your team members. You will earn 7.5% if you're a Vanguard of the profit that is made. For you to attain the Vanguard, you would have gotten a gift of $500 for attaining a reward for attaining the Vanguard position. So remember, you got $100 for attaining this position. You get $500 for attaining the Vanguard. 7.5% profit share. So when your team trades, say if they make a profit of $1,000 under you, that day you're going to make $75. So that is some cool passive income. You understand? So you understand what it means by extra bonus, profit share, Your personal contribution is the personal money you should be investing for you to be able to claim all these benefits. You understand? So that's it. And at that point, you should be having one Aurum Nova anywhere in your team. So Aurum Nova means somebody must have registered, you understand, with your link and activated the ecosystem. You understand? So these are the conditions. So that's how the condition is. You should have one Aurum Nova and one Vanguard in 2 different branches, meaning that you are bringing people in your team. You have people, maybe you register like 4 people. These are 4 branches. You understand? So those people can be bringing people. So those are 1 person is a branch, 2 people is a branch, 3 people is a branch. So at least you have 1 person who has registered and activated the ecosystem, and you have another person, a vanguard. That means you have a person who is following behind at this level, who has attained this level, for you to be able to become a vanguard pro. You understand? So while you are growing, your team should also be growing. So I hope you understand this. So these are just the conditions that has to be met for you to enter the Aurum Nexus. Don't forget, for all this level you attain, you're going to get extra bonus. Like this one is $10,000, $1,000, $2,000, and profit share of 10%. Mean that for every money that is made in your team, you're going to make 10% of that money that is made on a daily basis. So that's crazy. So imagine you keep earning until you become an alpha. For you to become, when you reach this alpha level, you'll be given $3 million. And at that time, you get 30% of the profit made in your team. For anybody you bring directly, you make 18.5%. And you should have a personal contribution, meaning that you have several investments that is worth $999,000 in your account. And by that time, you must have attained a legacy volume of 100 million LV. It means people under you should have a total investment of $4 million. So $400 million. All right, so let me just summarize this for you. So this is direct sales. You can make up to this. So this 18.5% is just up to this level. This is the maximum so you can earn in terms of direct referral, direct sales. You bring in somebody that puts in $100. If you are having this highest package, you are obtain this alpha level, you will make $18.5 for just $100. You understand? So that's what it means. For the team sales, earn the difference between your legacy percentage and the highest in your team. So when this is a percentage you earn, based on the difference between your legacy level and the highest percentage in your team. A bonus is calculated. So when you make sales in your team, like people are registering direct in your team, they register. There's a percentage of money you earn from this registration. Apart from you registering people directly under you, you will also have a percentage of, which will be calculated based on the difference between your legacy level percentage and the highest percentage in your team. So apart from the fact that you are registering people and getting your direct sales, for the fact that your team are also registering people, a calculation will be made that you will also earn a percentage. You earn a percentage of the sales that is made in your team, and that is based on your legacy level and the highest percentage in your team. So that it is paid on all the team sales to an endless dip. All right. So the direct profit share is the profit share from the people you bring in directly into the business. So you receive a daily share of up to 30%, right, based on your legacy level from the daily profits of your direct client. So if you have, I've explained this. This is the profit share. This is the profit share. Profit share you make. So when people trade under you, and if your team make a profit of $1,000 and you are in the alpha level, you will make $30. So just take note of the profit share. All right, let's go to the team profit share. Now, as a team also trades in total, you are also going to make a percentage of the not just your direct downlines now, but of the entire team. You're going to earn a percentage of the profit, and this is based on the difference in daily profit share percentage between your rank and your teams. So it's paid every day on all your team profits and desk dip. So it's not just about your direct downlines. A percentage you will also earn based on the profit that is earned by your entire team, not just the sales. Now the profit that is earned on your entire team. So you'll be seeing that this extra bonus is the bonus you earn as you attain a new level. You understand? So this is extra bonus, they call it extra bonus. So each time you attain these levels, you're going to be paid this amount. So I'm sure you will be glad to earn an extra $100, an extra $500, an extra 1,000, 2,000. So just keep building, and then you will get to that level. So we have, this is just the product comparison. Now, if you are if people are into AI, using it, most people use the AI expert. So all these things are activated for it. So you will enjoy all these benefits, normally. Now, but if you are using this, if they are using this XAI Pro bots, you will only enjoy profit share. So that's what it means. All right. So also by using the card also has its benefits. You see legacy volume 150 USDT. You earn up to 100% of the legacy volume depending on your rank. Card sales generate legacy volume. You understand? So as people buy the card through you, you're going to have legacy volume too. And then transaction fees from top up, spending, and withdrawals are also shared based on your legacy level. So let's see. Profit share starting from Voyager level. You will receive up to 30% additional passive income based on your partner's profit. So this is based on sales of card. Based on the sales, okay. All right, this is for the robot. Sorry, this is for the robot. So as you sell the card, I've already explained all this already. As you sell the card, you're going to make money, even from the transactions, from the top-ups, withdrawals. You're going to make money. You're going to accumulate legacy volumes as people also market the card, as people purchase the card through you. All right, so let's go to the shareholder bonus, which is a bonus that you receive as you go up the rank. So the first payout for this shareholder bonus will be 16th of October 2025. All right. So every quarter, up to 3.175% of the global profit from this XAI bot deposits is allocated for the qualifying legacy. So it starts from the Oracle. So if you're an Oracle, you're going to earn 0.15% of the profit that is realized from the company. So let's do the calculation. So if the company makes a profit of $5 million, for instance, and they're paying you 0.15%, so let's just calculate 0.15 divided by 100 times $5 million. So if you're there, you're going to earn a whooping $7,500. It's paid every quarter. It means like every 4 months, right? Or every 3 months. So every 3 months, you're going to enjoy this bonus they call the shareholder bonus. So for you to start enjoying it, try to build your rank to this level. The Oracle, Prime, Elite and Magnet and the rest. All right, so Aurum has, so I think there's a training products, so system-based business education. Aurum Academy is educational core, okay, for training people on how to you can expect clear onboarding and action plans and all that, okay? So there's a lot of stuff in Aurum. So, and when they want leadership events, you will meet a target and then you'll be awarded with cash that you can use to travel for the events and all that. So there are different, you can see this one is Phuket leadership promo, and which is coming up soon. And leadership promo, which is already on, and the event is coming up soon. Right, so you can see that. So that's how the plan works. So I think you can rewatch the video at any point in time, understand the basic of the business, which is this, and then all this is quite understandable now. So thank you for your time, and God bless.